Stop by Old Navy to see what they had in new for fall items. So they have a lot of cute little basic pieces that you can use for like layering, because fall is like that in between season. So they have these little rib t-shirts right here. They kind of have like a little V cut in them, and then they are short sleeves, and they had like a ton of different colors in those right there. They had colors, they had prints, and you can see they were all marked down from that $17. So everything on that table was the same price. And like I said, they had a ton of different colors and prints in those. They have some pieces that are 50% off. They said today only, but I don't know. So they have this dress right here. It's a nice print, and you can wear this in fall. It is sleeveless, but you can just toss on a jean jacket with that. And that one is $35, and then it'll be that 50% off. They had a lot of cute little sweaters and stuff like that. And Old Navy goes up to plus sizes. I can't remember the top size, but they do. A lot of their styles just go up to plus size. But this right here, $37, and they had that sweater in a bunch of different colors, and they had a print too. This dress right here, another lightweight one, but you can just again toss a jacket on that, and you'll have like a cute little fall look. Put a little pair of booties or something with that, and that one was the 50% off. So that one was $35 before the 50% off, and they had it in a few different colors, and you can see the sweaters here in different colors. And this is the print they had at mine. So they had like the animal print in my own navy. The jeans, 25. I mean $24, and you can see they had a ton of different washes, and they were just down like $10 for those. But you can see they had a ton of different washes in those. More t-shirts. Again, a t-shirt is good for the fall. But this is like a, what do you call that? It's not a waffle knit. Is it a waffle knit? But it's like it's a, it's a knit, but it has like the letters hem on that one right there. And those I think were on sale too, so you can grab those. And they had those, you can see, in a ton of different colors. These I thought were cute. Again, they are sleeveless, but you can wear sleeveless in the fall. It's like that denim like material. It has the stretching and the back on that. $35 for that, and they had that in a few different colors. And then they had this, I think we saw this before, but it's just like a cami top, kind of like in like a satin like material, and then it has like the little polka dots on it. $20 for that. This right here, a cute little jean dress. So just something simple, nice, quick. And again, you can layer these with jean jackets. So they had this with the, and it has the stretch in the back too. $40 for that one right there. And they had that one in black also. And of course, like when I say jean jacket, you can get a jacket from Old Navy. You can get one of their cardigans. They have this little pleather like jacket here. So it's like the faux leather, and you can grab that. $60 for that. And it kind of has like that I'm trying to think what era, but they have these little like satin. It's not really picking up. Black on my camera always looks ashy, but it's like a black satin, and then they had it in other colors too. So $40 for that. And you just have to give it a good pressing, and it is long, so it's kind of like an oversized look too. This like moto style jacket they had, and this one I like because it kind of has, I like things that have that like the distressing look, but this one's $75, and I think like over time it'll get like more creasy and stuff, and that's it up there. You can see it. It's just cute. It's hanging better up there. I don't know why, but you can see the satin like shirt in different colors. These shirts I thought were cute too. So the color's perfect for fall, and you can do it with the roll sleeve, without the rolled sleeves. You see the details on the pockets there on those. $40 for that right there. And like I said, I think a lot of this stuff was on sale. Old Navy doesn't always mark everything, but just check around. These skirts I thought were cute. So they have like a retro style print, $35. You have that one right there, and then you have that one. This one, perfect colors so fall, and it kind of gives you like a vintage vibe. It has a little slit at the bottom there, and then they have like these faux leather ones right here that you can also grab. And again, up until plus sizes, $35 for that one right there. And that one came in a few different colors too. These balloon cargo pants, I thought they were cute. So they're like the cargo pants, but they cinch at the waist. and then it kind of gives you like a balloon like look, if that makes sense. It kind of has a little bit of elastic on the waist. $50 for those, and those came in a few different colors also. And then if you wanted to make a whole little set, you can pair it with the cargo jacket, because they have the cargo jacket that matches the colors of the pants. $50 for that, and it's just a classic style, and you can see the waist cinches in, so that is real cute, and it gives you like that feminine silhouette. They have these pants on sale right here, kind of like a cargo style too, for $25. They have the elastic waist, they have the pockets, and then just like kind of a straight cut on them. So they had those in a bunch of different colors, and they were marked down from $40. And you can see they have the little hoop latch thing, like classic cargo style on the side there. Or is it not cargo? I think it's cargo. But they had those in a few different colors. More t-shirts. Like t-shirts to me are always just something you need in your closet, like different styles, different cuts. It's just good to throw on. And this one kind of has like the high neckline on it. And they had it in a stripe print too. So I thought that was cute. And I think these are around $20 for these right here. These, they were in the workout section. My workout section today was a bit of a mess, but I thought these were cute. So $45 for this one right here. It has like the half zip, but just you see the cut in the sleeves right there. It kind of just looks like a nice fit. This right here, it has the hoodie on it, and it has the full zip on this one right here, and it has the drawstring and all of that. And they had that one in a few different colors too. $50 for that one right there. So you just want to check out the active wear section too. These kind of like a fall, like the color is definitely giving fall, but they're lightweight. So they have the elastic waist, they have the pockets, they have the tie at the front, and these were on sale. So these were on clearance. You can see a little red sticker there. $18 for those right there. So these dresses, another one on sale, $31. And you can see they have those in a bunch of different colors, but they were nice and long. So based on your size, this could be a maxi, this could be a midi. Based on how tall you are, it has the little pockets in it. And again, toss on a cute little jean jacket and you are ready to go. It has like the rib knit top, and then the different fabric on the bottom, a cute pair of loafers. They always say fall, but I love loafers all year round. But these were on sale too. So they're marked 30, but they are 40% off on those. They had a few different cute bodysuit options, which I love a bodysuit. So this one has like this neckline cut right here, and like a little bit longer than a short sleeve, $27. I mean, these are on sale. So they have them in different colors. They have this one right here, a sleeveless one, more of a square neckline. And these came in a lot of neutral light colors for these right here, $25. So if you're looking for some bodysuits, they have some cute options right now at Old Navy that you might want to check out. And again, these are good for layering. These are good to just toss on with a pair of jeans. They have these cute little boots right here. You can see they had them in a bunch of different colors too at my Old Navy. So if you're looking for a pair of boots for the season, you might want to grab those, $45. Then they had some jeans also on sale. So some of these weren't marked, but you can see, I think the $7 section, I think that was the one in the middle. I think that is gone. But they do have other ones, and they're marked like, different prices, but you can just check those out. So it might not be in the clearance section of yours, but you can see they start at like $18, $25, different prices. These right here, 50% off for these items. So I think we saw these dresses before, but just in case. So $40, and then it'll be 50% off on that. And again, based on your height, maxi, midi, most of the time probably it'll be a maxi. They had those in a bunch of different colors. These are more today only marked, but like I said, I don't know. I can go check and see if they are still 50% off, because I feel like they're just changing over to a different type sale. But they had these blazers right here. Some of them, it's so weird. Sometimes the price is not on the stickers, and I have to go through several. But $54 for the one in the back. So I'm assuming this one would be around the same price range for that. So they had, but they are different cuts in these blazers. But they had some blazers to pick from. This dress I thought was interesting. It's kind of like that double layered, so it's like the same inside as outside. So $40, and then it's 50% off today. And then it has sleeveless, and it has like the little side details on that right there. And they had that one too in a few different colors at my Old Navy. So if you wanted to get like a dress that was simple but had little details to it, flannels, Old Navy, Gap, all of those are good for flannel pieces. $37 for this one right here. And again, kind of gives me that oversized fit. Blazers, they had a few more options to pick from. This one kind of gave me like a linen feel to it. This one was on sale, $37 for that one right there. And then they had this brown one right here that you can grab, and this one was $50 for this one right here. So yeah, you might want to check out the blazer section. So if you work in the office, you like to, dress in slacks and stuff, they had a good amount of slacks to pick from. $50 across the board for them. These have the elastic like in the back there, the zipper in the front, just a nice classic kind of look. They had them in solid colors, they had them in prints. So yeah, just a lot of nice we call it slacks in right now at Old Navy. And again, they're going to be having a sale on these pixie pants, $30. You can see the classic cut of the pixie pants, but you can see how many colors and different options they had. They had prints, they had all kind of what that to pick from. And these shorts, I know they're not full, but based on where you live, you can get away with wearing a pair of shorts. Put a blazer with it. $18, $15, just all kind of different prices for the shorts they were on sale. And I always think fall shorts are cute. So if you're looking for some shorts, you might want to grab those. These dresses right here, like Old Navy, ton of like printed dresses always. So this one right here, it is lined, it is long, it has like the shirring at the top there. I think that one was about like $50 for that, and it has the little sleeves, but the little lightweight sleeves on it. And then this right here, I thought it was a dress, but it is a jumpsuit. So it had the detail up top. It's a jumpsuit. It is really lightweight. So if you're looking for like some lightweight jumpsuits and stuff, you might want to check that out. And you can see the 50% off there, $45 for that. So yeah, you might want to check out your Old Navy and see what they have